In this video, we are going to find the surface area of a cylinder. So here's a question. It says, how many square centimeters of sheet metal are required to manufacture a can that has a radius of 4.5 centimeters, labeled here, and a height of 9 centimeters? Assume no waste or overlap and round to the nearest square centimeter. Okay, so basically what we need to do is we need to break this into some pieces. And so the pieces that we need to understand are there's a top and a bottom that are circles, but the harder part is the horizontal part of this. Okay, so it's a can. And so what happens is it's like a label on any kind of a beverage or a soup label or anything like that, that if you cut this horizontally or cut it vertically and unroll it, it creates a rectangle. Okay, and the dimensions on that rectangle, the height is still the height, but the width is the length around that circle, which is your circumference. So this thing is going to be always 2 pi r. All right, so in our case, our radius is 2.5, so it's 2 times pi, 2 pi times 4.5. Okay, so that is our circumference, which is going to be a length around. So to find that area, because we're going to find the total area, is we need to find that, and then we're going to add the top and the bottom to this. So if we find the area for this, we're looking at 2 times pi times 4.5, and then times 9, because it's just the area of a rectangle. So length times width. So if you throw that all into the calculator, that would get you 254.47. All right. And then you're going to be talking about the top and the bottom, which are circles with a radius of 4.5. So the area for that is pi r squared. So pi times 4.5 squared, but there's 2 of them. So I'm going to take this whole thing and double it, because there's a top and there's a bottom with the same area. So we multiply that together and then multiply it by 2. We should get 127.23. So then our total surface area, total surface area would be the sum of those two. So it would be 254.47 plus 127.23. And if you add that together, you get 381.7. And we're supposed to round to the nearest centimeter. So that's going to be 382 square centimeters. Okay, and so that is finding the surface area of a cylinder. It always consists of a top and a bottom that are circles, and it always consists of kind of the label that when you unroll it, it's going to create a rectangle. And the challenge typically is knowing and understanding that the width of it is going to be the length around it, which is your circumference. The height's just going to be the height.